Hello and happy Friday. Join us as we bring you the latest on the markets today. Here are today's financial headlines.
Alphabet stock fell nearly 7% on Thursday, closing at $318.34, as investors sold off ahead of earnings and broader tech weakness pressured valuations. The Shanghai Index fell 1.2% on Friday, reversing the previous session's gains, as fresh U.S. tariffs dampened market sentiment. U.S. gasoline futures rose to $3.46 per gallon as a new front in the U.S.-Iran conflict opened in the Red Sea, fueling concerns over further disruptions to energy supply. The New Zealand dollar fell below 58 cents as escalating tensions between the U.S. and Iran dampened risk appetite, leaving the currency vulnerable to supply disruptions and higher energy costs. Bitcoin fell to about $65,000 on Friday, down 1.6% as fading hopes for U.S. rate cuts and risk-off sentiment drove fear in crypto markets. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 8:30 a.m., the Services Purchasing Managers Index in the UK is expected to increase after reaching 48.8 in June. At 12:30 p.m., Canada to release the new Housing Price Index for June, following minus 0.3% in May. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the new home sales of June, following minus 7.3% in May.
And that's it for today's News Roundup. Thanks for joining us and see you again next week as we bring you the latest market news and insights. We wish you a great weekend.